Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deborah. Deborah. Welcome back to my channel. This is another 3, 2, 1 video in which I give you short phrases and sentences which I feel will be beneficial when traveling to Ghana as a tourist and you'd like to, interact with the locals. All right. So before we get into today's translation, I'm going to need you to do one thing. I'm going to need you to click that subscribe button, and click the bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. So today's translation was also requested by a subscriber and they wanted to know how to say, I am very happy to see you. I am very happy to see you. And how you'd say that is, Eye menije se yɛhyia. Eye menije se yɛhyia. Eye menije se yɛhyia. So, eye is like it is. Menije. Anigye is happiness. If someone says, oh, meniaje, it means happiness or joy. Se yɛhyia. Shia, the H and the Y makes this sh sound. So, shia, the H and the Y makes a sh sound. Shia means to meet. So, it's like saying, I'm happy or I'm glad that we've met. I'm happy or I'm glad that we've met. Eye menije se yɛhyia. Eye menije se yɛhyia. I'm very happy to see you or I'm glad to see you. Eye menije se yɛhyia. Eye menije se yɛhyia. And one more time. Eye menije se yɛhyia.
You can also say eye menije se mɛhyia wo. Eye menije se mɛhyia wo. Eye menije se mɛhyia wo.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video and I'll see you guys on my next one.